Let's smoke some pork belly. This was my leftover piece of the beautiful Swift Meats pork belly from the other week. So I'm gonna cut it right down the middle and season one half with HC Red, which is a nice peppery rub. Do both sides and the edges, making sure it's nicely coated. And then do the other side with Honey Hog from Meat Church, a nice sweet rub. And yeah, it's definitely snowing. We got about a foot of snow while I was cooking this. The pork belly hits the big green egg indirect at about 250 degrees for about 5 or 6 hours until probe tender around 205, 210 internal. Pull it off and rest it inside for a good hour and check this thing out. It's super tender, super juicy. Let's cut out some slices. Check them out, man. They smell unbelievable. Nice color and so tender. How's that for the Bentes? And it just pulls apart. As good as it gets. So what can we do? Let's make some tacos. Caramello tortillas, smashed avocado, pork belly, salsa, cilantro, and onion. And this made for one delicious Sunday dinner. Pork belly tacos, it's a win-win.